How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and this video here will be the kickoff to mine and Russell's buddy build. We're starting tonight, and what we are building is the Ford Cortina. He is building the Ford Cortina, Lotus Cortina, and I am building the 1964 East African Safari Rally winner of the Ford GT. Mine's not going to be the Lotus. Mine is the GT. And this is what we're going to be building right here. Alright, here I have sent him a complete model kit that I have resin cast. This is the Ford Cortina, and this here right here is the Lotus badging, which I'll have to shave off. And this one's, like I said, this is not going to be a Lotus. His is going to be a Lotus. Mine is just going to be a Ford Cortina GT, which it'll be the Ford GT, not just a stock version. It'll be the GT version, but it's going to be what they used in the 1964 rally. There were several different cars used for that rally. It was in Kenya. And see, I think the drivers that I'm going to use are Hughes and Young. That'll be the drivers. But so this is what I've sent. I've sent Russell the exact kit. You notice I cut the engine out, the hood out, and I have scratched built a Lotus Cortina engine bay. Resin cast it. He got the same thing. Here's the interior tub. This was a curbside, which we're going to have to do modifications to make all that work. And this is the chassis that I got. And I sent him a Lotus Cortina engine in his, to where mine, I molded up just a straight six Ford engine for the Cortina that would be correct for that year. And so he got the dual overhead cam Lotus engine. Here's front suspension, here's dash and all the interior parts, just a bunch of miscellaneous parts. And then, like I said, I ordered this right here from England. This is Moto Bits. Y'all need to get on there, Moto Bits UK. And they sell decal and resin and I guess 3D printed parts for rally cars and just all kinds of stuff. Y'all just get on there and look. But this is where I found the decals. And as you can see, this is the version that I'm going to build right here. That was the rally winner. And it has 4 different versions that you can build. It has the rally winning car, the 3rd place car, the 10th place, and the 15th place cars. You can see right there. This kit right here, or well, not the kit, but this stuff I ordered from Moto Bits, comes with the decals for this car. It also comes with the rally wheels and tires. It comes with the lights for the up here, the spotlight, and the 3 lights here. It comes with this back reverse light, and it comes with the hood and trunk pins right here, and it comes with 2 gas caps. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. And here's the decals. You can see right here, very crisp, very nice decals. It's got the the Cortina badging right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's got the GT badging that'll go on that back quarter. Like I said, the Lotus, which I sent him Lotus decals to go on his for the Lotus car that he's going to build. But this one here's the GT. The kit that I ordered from Motor Bits come with the rally wheels and tires. They come with all the spotlights and lenses. And then it come with the hood pins, gas caps, and back reverse light. So, like I said, this is the kickoff video to mine and Russell's buddy build. And if y'all's not subscribed to Russell, please go over there and subscribe to Russell at Russell Model Cars. I will have the link in the description below. And Russell is one heck of a model builder. This is going to be our second buddy build. If you can remember here, it's been a good while back, but we did the Corvette builds. And if y'all haven't seen that, please go to his and check his out. And mine's on mine, so just go scroll down until you find it. But alright, that being said, this is the kickoff video. And Seamus and Xavier, we have model builds coming up next. Seamus will be after this build, and we are building the Ford GT 40s. And then after this build, after Seamus's build, buddy build, we will be, me and Xavier from Xavier Models, we'll be doing the, we're going to be doing Formula 1 buddy build. So I haven't decided what car I'll be building on that. And but that will be after Seamus. Like I said, I only have time to do one at a time. So once I finish one, I start on another. Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe.